everyone, a hearty welcome to my channel as to learn. I hope you all are safe and doing well. So in today's video, I am going to learn as well as play. So what I am going to do is, in my previous videos I have covered the topic figure of speech in two parts. In first part I have taught you regarding simile and onomatopoeia, and in second part I have covered about repetition, hyperbole and personification. So I thought instead of going for the exercises, I will make an imagery on figure of speech, and will identify which figure of speech and how much you have understood regarding this topic. So we will play as well as learn. So please stay tuned till the end. Watch the entire video for enjoying this amazing game with me. Okay students, so let us start. We will know some rules before moving to the game. So the first point is, rule is, a question related to identification of figure of speech is shown in the form of an image with caption or label if any. So you always get the questions in the form of the text, but here I am giving you the question in the form of an image. Students, getting it? Using this caption or label and visualizing the image, you have to think which figure of speech that particular image depicts. So now you have to think, you have to use your brains now. Start using your brains. You have to think which figure of speech this particular image is going to depict. Third, a few seconds will be given to answer the question, and then the question will be answered. After that, I will answer you the question. So isn't it interesting, students? Let us start playing. Yes. See, the first one is, you can see a sun, sun here. So what the sun is doing? The sun is smiling at us. Now sun is a natural element. Can it smile? But it's smiling at us. Smiling is the human quality. Now I have given you two clues. Just think for the few seconds fast. Which figure of speech will this sun fit? I hope you have got the answer till now. So I'm going to reveal the answer for this question. So the answer will be, students, what will be the answer? Yes, it will be personification. Why? Because here the natural element sun is given the human quality of smiling. Isn't it interesting, students? Now we will move to the next question. See, here a sound is made. See, the sound of water spilled out by the fish. So when a fish spills out the water, a sound is being heard, that is splash. Now which figure of speech you can correlate the sound? Just think about it. Whether it's simile, hyperbole, onomatopoeia, what it will be. Now we will go to the answer. I hope you all have guessed it right. The answer is onomatopoeia. Yes, it's right. Now moving to our third question. See, now you can see here two things. A tall man here, and a giraffe. Here I have stated here some caption here, compared by the attribute of tallness. You can see tallness common in them. Yes, giraffe is also very tall and a man is also very tall. So the question is, the boy is taller like a giraffe. Now you have come to know which figure of speech it will be by seeing the word like. Also the comparison is being done between them. So which figure of speech it will be, students? Just think in a few seconds fast. Yes, I hope you have guessed it right. We will see the answer now. So the answer is simile. Where comparison of two different kind of things has been done with the same quality in them. Students, now we will move to our fourth question. You are finding it interesting? Yes? So the fourth question is, to grandma's we go, to grandma's we go, sitting, yawning, snoring, to grandma's we go, to grandma's we go. So now what you are finding here? What you are finding here? The lines are repeated again and again. Okay, the lines are repeated again and again to draw the reader's attention. So students, just in few seconds you are going to answer me this question fast. This is very easy one. So the answer will be repetition. Yes students, because the lines are repeated again and again. Now moving to a final question students. See a small image, a man holding a bag weighing a ton. Now just think about this image. Okay, you can find any comparison? No. Okay, any objects personifying any human quality? No. Okay, then any repeated lines? No. So now you think about this, whether a man can hold such a weight? No. So now you correlate to which figure of speech you are going to correlate this image, whether it's simile, whether it's personification, whether it's hyperbole. Yes students, fast. Yes, answer time. So the answer will be hyperbole. Yes students, because in hyperbole what we do? We exaggerate a particular statement. A man can hold this weight, okay, but we are exaggerating it by saying that he can or hold this bag, okay, which weighs a ton. So this was interesting students. I hope you all enjoyed watching this game. Please, if you like this video, please support me by subscribing to my channel so I can make more and more amazing videos in future. So thank you for watching my video.